Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This is a video tutorial about video uploads to your profile on Safe and Trusted Canada. The premium plans allow the business to place multiple YouTube videos into their profile. The standard allows one YouTube video. The advanced allows up to 5 YouTube videos. And the professional allows up to 10 YouTube videos. The videos the business uploads can be its videos or the videos on YouTube that display products the business sells or provides to its customers. Consumers prefer videos over pictures. Make sure you have a YouTube channel where all your videos are available. YouTube is considered to be a great search engine comparable to Google. All you have to do is take the YouTube video link from your browser and insert that link into your content management area. Thank you for listening to this video.